Make stuff and craft with me. Let's turn the ordinary into fantasy. Create a world wild and free. Make stuff and craft with me.
Yeah, so I've got more colouring books that I designed. I'll show you this one last. It's my newest one. And then I've got a couple of the square ones. So the first one is Healing Crystals colouring book. So it's self-explanatory. It's just a bunch of healing crystals. So it's all about crystals and patterns and the chakra and stuff. So some of them have a God, I can't speak already. Black background. Some of them are just like patterned, all crystal themed though. So this has 50 different pages. And just, it's a nice, calming book to colour. So that's the back. The next one is a holiday one. So if you want to be in the Christmas mood, but you're not traditional, this might be for you. It's a horror Christmas colouring book. I'm just going to do a normal one. I might still do just a traditional Christmas one that's not maybe horror. I wanted to do something different. So this is the front and the back. Again, 50 different pages. So you got Santa looking kind of creepy, some evil elves. So it's just all Christmas, but not the traditional Christmas. See, you even have skeletons that are enjoying the festive season. Werewolves. See, everyone loves Christmas. Evil turkey. So that keeps going on. And again, all my colouring books are just printed on one side, so there's no chance of bleed through. And so if you've coloured one in that you really like, you can frame it and everything. You don't have to worry about missing out on the one that's on the back. There is none on the back. There's another evil turkey. So because it's not like a traditional Christmas one, you can like really go mad with the colours here and make it really unique. See, there's even vampires there enjoying Christmas. My last one isn't on for general sale. I was thinking about maybe using it in giveaways and stuff when I get my views back up. So this is just a miniature play button colouring book. So it's just basically 50 pages of play buttons. They all have different geometric patterns inside. So this is a nice one if you don't really want to think too much about it. And depending on what colours you use, these can actually look really cool. If you want the button to really stand out, make sure you use completely different colours for the button and the background. But even if you use like similar colours, because the pattern changes, it will still stand out. And you can leave the middle part plain, or you can do your own little pattern inside of that. So again, there's 50 of those, and this, like I say, this is just a little miniature one that I'm planning to use for giveaways. So that's it for now. I've got some more in the works, but they do take a while to make and design. But when I get them done, you'll be the first to see them. In like this anyway. I tend to post on Instagram and stuff like when I've designed them, but physical form, YouTube is usually the first place. especially to see the insides. So thanks for watching. More craft videos will be coming soon. Bye.